7 than some of the ones that we've done before? There's a number out front. Good. That 3, it's a big 3. It's not a little 3, right? So it doesn't affect how many I want in my group. This one's still the invisible amount. So how many for radicals is it that I want to group when it's invisible? 2. Good. I want you to think about this 3 like a coefficient. It's a number out front, and you just don't really even worry about it until the very end. Okay? So split your number and your letter. You guys are doing good. I know this is boring, but if you stay with me, I promise it'll start to make sense. If you phase out today, it's going to be hard to catch back up. And if you missed last time and haven't watched the video, then just hang on the best you can.
For right now.
Okay?
So would you pair up the 3s?
Heck yeah.
Okay.
And then how many pairs of X's?
4 would be 3.
No, I need 2.
Wait, what?
Remember, the 3 is a big number, not a little one. So this is the invisible radical, which is a square root. What's the square root of 25? 5, right? So regular square roots are always the same number times itself. Regular square roots are always 2. Okay? So how many pairs of X's? 2. Okay, so these are my groups, right? That 3 is my coefficient. That 3 is different. That 3 is my leftover. Okay, so here's how you're going to write it out. I want my coefficient times my groups. So it's coefficient. Oh, I spelt that word wrong. Coefficient times my groups times my leftover. So coefficient times my groups times my leftover. What the heck? Where did the 9 come from? I only had one group of 3s. So why is it 9? You got it, because not the 3s from the group, the 1 3 from the group and the coefficient of 3. That number that was out front. We're going to do a lot more examples.
That made sense. So where's that one actually?
Hooray! Yeah, Zeke.
So you'd only multiply via the first two because you're not multiplying across all.
Yep, because there's no plus signs. So when you do a multiplication group, it's not distributing. You just multiply it by the group once. You only give it to multiple things if there's a plus sign, then I'm distributing it that way.
Okay. So
Yeah.
if there was plus sign, then you distribute it to the both x's and okay.
Got it. Okay, let's try another one. The -2, so I'm looking for groups of -2. That doesn't make any sense. No, because that's the coefficient. That has nothing to do with how many I want to group. How many do I want to group when the number's invisible? 2. So split your number and your letter. Eight and 6 is good. We'll take that. Oh, Mayday. Okay, I'm looking for pairs. So, coefficient times groups times leftover.
How did you get the B to
Squared?
yeah.
From the, if you look at 8, look at the b that's under the square root. There's 2 of them.
So do the negatives just like cancel out, or the negative? Or
No, it's the final answer is going to be negative still. Will you guys try 10? Try 10.